Hi fashionistas, welcome back to Salem Fashion YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this sleeveless maxi bodycon dress using a lycra fabric. So if you're ready like I'm ready, let's begin the tutorial. Okay guys, so this is the fabric that I'm going to be using to sew my lycra dress. It is a very stretchy fabric as well. Can you see? Can you see how stretchy this fabric is? It is very stretchy, okay? So this is what I'm going to be using to make my dress. We are not going to be making use of any body measurement whatsoever. Okay, this is just a simple freehand dress. And if you use your body measurement, you are going to end up having something funny. Okay, so what we're going to be doing is I'm going to be showing you how we are going to be cutting this so that you are going to achieve this very type of dress that I am wearing right here on my body. Okay, it's just that this one, like I said earlier, is not going to have any form of sleeve. So what I'm going to do now is to take this fabric and wrap it around my bust. Ensure that it is very tight on your body as you are doing this process. Okay, I'm just going to take it like so and wrapping it like this just around your body and ensuring that it is tight on your body like so. Can you see the fitting that it is giving on my body like this? Can you see what I am trying to do? Okay, we are trying to achieve something by doing this. So after you have gotten this part like this, meaning that from this part to this part is just going to serve like your body circumference that you're going to work with. Now I'm going to release this part and then still holding on the other side, then I'm going to cut out from this part all the way down. Okay, meaning that all I will need to make this dress is just this allowance right here. I will just fold it into two like this and then fold it again into four, and then we are going to cut out our body through this measurement. Okay, so I'm going to lay it down like this. After laying it down like this part that I was holding on to on my body is the part I am going to follow and cut out all the way to the other end of the fabric. Okay, so after cutting out your fabric like I explained earlier, you're going to go ahead now and fold it into two. Okay, like so. So one part is going to be on fold, and normally while cutting some other non-stretchy fabrics, we can decide to cut this into two while sewing, but we are going to leave one side on fold. Even the one I'm wearing, I only cut it on one side. Okay, that's because of the stretchiness of the fabric. So guys, after folding it into two parts like this, so this is the wrong side that I'm working on. Okay, we're also going to go ahead again and fold it again into two. Now we have it on fold into four. So after folding your fabric into four like this, because it is a stretchy fabric, we cannot mark on it. Okay, what I'm going to do is all the parts that I'm going to take my measurement, I will use paper tape to tape it down so you can see how I am going to do it. So assuming my neckline is going to be around this part, I'm just going to use this paper tape. I'm just going to use my free hand basically because there is no way we can mark on this fabric. Okay, so I'm just going to show you guys using paper tape now. This is the trick behind this kind of fabric. Okay, so this like this is just going to give me the guide to just follow this part and cut it out. Let's say I'm going to maintain a shoulder slope of about 2 inches. I will still have to, from that 2 inches shoulder slope now, I will come down by my armhole depth. Okay, so I'm still going to use paper tape after putting my tape measure like this to just indicate that shoulder slope. So can you see what I'm saying? So because there is nothing that will guide me, okay, on how to cut this, I will just have to use this paper tape that will serve as a guide, since I cannot use chalk to mark on this type of very stretchy fabric. So this is my neckline here, both back and front. This should be about 2 inches wide and then 3 inches depth. Okay, So by the time I put my curved ruler like this is going to serve as my neckline, and then this other part is going to serve as my shoulder slope. So you are not going to separate this part that is unfold. By the time you fold this like this, you are going to have this part unfold and this side also unfold. The only side that is going to be open is just one part. This is because we want to minimize the places that we cut because of the stretchiness of this fabric. So we're just going to cut out the neckline and cut out the armhole curve, and that is just basically it. So now I'm just going to go ahead and cut. So guys, after I am done cutting it, this is what it is looking like. As you can see, this is the neckline and this is the armhole. Okay, so I'm going to take it over to my sewing machine now and just sew my neckline together. Like I said earlier, I told you that where one side is going to be unfold, the part that is unfold that I asked you not to cut, it is already sewn here. Okay, we didn't open this part, so it's already sewn. So what I'm going to do now is to just go ahead and sew the shoulders together on both sides, and then I'll use bias, or if your fabric can permit you to just stitch it round, you can go ahead and just stitch around the neckline and then sew this one side that is open like this, and as well sew the ending part of your dress. Okay, this would depend on how long or short you want your dress to be, the length. Okay, so that is just it for this tutorial. By the time I return, I'm going to be showing you the finished look of this dress.
So guys, it's a wrap for today's tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, and also feel free to share this video with someone. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.